Leacock hosted several holiday festivities this year, including the Music Cafe, which left a lasting impression. The event featured many spectacular performances including Mario Odyssey, some games, such as musical chairs, send emotions on a roller coaster ride, or having hilarious open mic karaoke before the raffle to end the ceremony with a blast. Even though the development of this event was challenging, different students from different grades pulled it off and created the most miraculous event in Leacock. Big thanks to the Music Council, Ms. Radden, and her music students for delivering an unforgettable musical performance. How do you feel being a part of such an amazing event?
It feels really good to bring back the Music Council after like 4 years of having absolutely nothing. According to Ms. Radden, we didn't have a cafe in 4 years, so we knew immediately we had to bring something this fun back. It was a lot of planning. We planned this, I think, around December, like late November, early December. Everyone's been working really hard. We had a lot of moving parts like games and decor and trying to get sponsors from people. So I would say it went pretty well. We had a very fun night full of games and prizes, and as well as amazing musicians that showed up. So we're really happy with the results.
Mrs. Reynolds, an arts teacher, has remarkable talent for inspiring students to express their artistic vision. This year's art showcase was a success, featuring an array of stunningly beautiful and expertly crafted works of art. For instance, from cardboard portraits and magazine art to gingerbread houses and watercolor paintings, there was no shortage of creativity on display. But the showcase wasn't just about visual art, but working in collaboration with Ms. Radden, the Music Association, and Buchan students, with a melodic rendition of the classic Christmas song, Overture to Miracle on 34th Street, was performed, making the event even more exciting. A big thank you to Ms. Reynolds, Ms. Radden, and all the students who participated to make this showcase a success.
Okay, so my art was one of my bigger pieces, which was a part of my culminating, was displayed in this year's art showcase, and it was honestly a really nice experience, and I enjoyed having being able to display my artwork because I spent a lot of time and effort doing it, and to have other people appreciate it and for them to view it and be able to define meaning to it is, I think, a really great experience for all artists in general. And yeah.
Where are we going? We're going to Bayhan Center to have breakfast, and then the bio class and the physics class are going to split up and go to their separate places.
We get muffins. We get 3 types of muffins.
Chocolate chip, plain, double chocolate, banana chocolate chip.
Oh, we got 4!
Okay, Aisha is getting us muffins.
This is what you're missing out when you're not in physics.
I'm gonna give them a close-up just to make them more jealous.
Six and a half hours later. A few inches later.
It's not bad.
I'm gonna get this cut out. ASMR.
Got the 2 parts of the cane. Okay. So they're supposed to go into each other like that. And the holes are gonna line up, and then these screws are gonna go through both of them and then out the other side. And then these are gonna go around them. Okay. And then so then you can like adjust the length.
lab, and everyone is getting ready with our personal protective equipment. We're gonna go into the main lab soon. Unfortunately, we can't record in there, but I'll try my best. Okay, so basically we just finished our calculations and we'll be heading into the lab now. So those are our calculations. We'll get back to you at lunch. Bye guys.
See you later.
So we're back. We're waiting for our second cell plate. After we take out the cells, we have to incubate them one more time because we put in the dye, and the dye is what helps us see the cells under a microscope.
Yeah.
And then we'll be done.
Okay. Hi guys. We're going for lunch. Guys, say hi. There's like the reading or whatever gonna tell us how balanced an all can be with the cane and without the cane. Okay, so basically we're done.
Yeah.
That's the cane. Wrapped up, ready to go home to get painted and stuff. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Okay, so we just finished our second round in the lab. We all looked at our images and everything, and we all did good. So 3, 2, 1, we're done!